Hello everyone. Cricut is basically organizing a new series for our viewers and followers. We both are co-founders of Cricut. I am Ruchir,
I'm Ritesh.
and our new series is about the IPL, which is coming, which is happening in UAE this year, 2020. And Cricut's really excited about it, and we have started a new series for IPL. So we have planned for this video. We planned Cricut's DC11, and we've also talked about the team, what Cricut feels. Cricut feels is the best team DC's team 11. So hi Ritesh.
Yeah, man.
So coming to the team and the squad, I feel DC is a really strong team this year, and they've really come back with a very strong side after the announcement of Delhi Capitals. This is New Delhi.
Yeah, I mean, definitely it's been New Delhi for the second year now, and one of the interesting things that we can see from the playing 11 we've created, and even Delhi Capitals would back it, is they're one of the only teams that can play with one or literally no foreign player.
Absolutely.
And that just shows some great outlook in terms of bringing up Indian skills, Indian talent, and going for a team that they can actually work with all through the year, because they can't work with foreigners. And yeah, it's really interesting, and they've built a great side.
If we see Delhi Capitals, I think after they lost the Indian core, I think finally now they have built the Indian core with youngsters and a pinch of experience like Ashwin, Shikhar Dhawan and Ajinkya Rahane, who will be Ajinkya Rahane, who just got traded with Delhi Capitals in Rajasthan, and Ashwin with Punjab, and both of them are as equal to Shikhar Dhawan, who again was traded last year with Sunrisers Hyderabad for 3 players: Nadeem, Vijay Shankar and Abhishek Sharma.
I mean, if you just look at the top 5 that we've selected, and this top 5 I feel would be the team that they're going to play with in IPL as well. That's like old school Delhi Daredevils that we can see, the core of having 5 explosive Indian batsmen. They've got they've got Sehwag, they had Gambhir, then they had Dinesh Karthik, all AB as well, not Indian. And I think they've finally been able to make that side core again, and it's great. So when me and Ruchir discussed, we decided not to change anything from last year when it comes to the when it comes to the openers, and we've got Prithvi Shaw and Shikhar Dhawan, a good right hand left hand combination.
So I think DC has a very good core side, Indian core. So we can see that we've selected one left-hander and one right-hander. The right-hander being Prithvi Shaw and the left-hander being Shikhar Dhawan. And if you go on and see, then we have added Ajinkya Rahane. It might be controversial and it might be shocking that why isn't Ajinkya in the opening. So we felt that Ajinkya should come one down, because Prithvi then has the liberty to trust 2 people, 2 experienced batsmen like Ajinkya Rahane and Shikhar Dhawan to back him up. And he can go boom, 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 explosive. That is his game. So and that really backs him. So I think Ajinkya Rahane has a perfect spot there. And if you move on to Shreyas Iyer, who is actually batting after Virat Kohli at 2 down for India also.
We've kept the same.
We've kept the same position for him, so he will be comfortable too. So I think that top 4 is solid with Rishabh Pant, an explosive.
Again, needless to say that there was a little bit, just going back to Shreyas Iyer a little bit, there was a little bit of discussion that we had where, when we decided we wanted to push Shreyas to 3. And probably put down Ajinkya Rahane to 4, but we figured out that having your best and the most stable batsman as your 2 down batsman is a little more old school method of working, and you don't have that much time in T20 cricket.
So as we discussed, I think Ajinkya needs a little more time to settle in, and and if we've seen Shreyas Iyer bat at number 4, and I think he's done pretty well after so many changes with Ambati Rayudu, with Rishabh Pant. I think he's proven that he's the man for 2 down for
and I think Shreyas has shown this, like he likes to bat with responsibility, and
as the captain,
and he is the captain as well. And coming in at 4, he's going to have to bat with a lot of responsibility. He's going to have a lot on his shoulder, and he's going to, if I'm not wrong, he's going to really enjoy expressing himself there. Rishit, you want to talk a bit about Pant when moving
So
forward?
I think just last thing,
Yeah,
I think
sure.
Shreyas Iyer, we've decided for him to be the captain just because of the performance he's done last year. I think he took the team as a captain to the playoff after 6-7 years. That is a great achievement.
For new young blood to do it, I think that's just a whole other
Incredible. Yeah.
The body language he brings, the way he compliments himself with Ricky is just great.
I think that's a great duo also.
Lovely.
And I think the trust which the management and staff have given is great. And such a youngster, they've just given him the responsibility 2 years ago, and he has been very responsible. So moving on to Rishabh Pant, he'll be the wicket keeper too. And he's performed, I think he's one of the best players for Delhi who has performed incredibly in the last 3 seasons. And has won Delhi a lot of games, and last year was a crucial part for the qualifying stages, like playing with Sunrisers and winning the game at the playoffs. And I think everyone knows that Rishabh Pant is a star.
If he gets going, I think there's like nothing stopping him, and he's a great wicket keeper. He's very athletic on the field. He keeps the energy going.
Yes.
It's a really nice presence to have. But the team will trust him a lot. They will trust him because
He will have pressure.
He is the last full-time batsman that is going to come onto the wicket. We know that Akshar can bat. In fact, the batting goes down to number 10 if you even Amit Mishra can bat. Kagiso can bat.
I think except Ishant Sharma, I think everyone can bat. Including Ashwin, Kagiso, Amit, Harshal.
Yeah, but the last solid batsman that is going to be Rishabh. And we've seen last year a few instances where he's brought us to a winning stage, but he's not really finished the job. So that is something the team is going to look for. But I think
a little more responsible.
I think if he's grown, he's been in the India faculties for the past 1 year, 2 years.
Under Virat, Dhoni,
and he's learned to be a little more responsible.
Rohit,
So number 5, I think will do 5 down. I think will do a great. Will do good for him.
So I think moving on to Akshar and Harshal Patel, both are Patels. So I think why we have chosen them is just because they bowl and they bat, and they are, I think, very great Indian all-rounders who bring a lot to the table. What do you have?
I think Akshar is one of those spinners that has adapted in his game when it comes to his bowling to the modern game. He's very good with the new white ball in the power play. We've seen that.
Yes.
And
also in the middle overs.
he's. I mean, looking at the side, right? We don't. Delhi does not have to worry about spin in the middle overs, right? Because they've got the experience of Ashwin. He's done that. They've got the wicket taking aggression of Mishra. And if anything goes wrong, they've also got Akshar. But Akshar is great. We've seen that he's a great option for Shreyas to go for in the power play. And coming to his bat, I think he's stable. When the team is in pressure, likely with the likes of maybe one solid batsman from the top 5.
I think he can do it.
He can easily rotate the strike.
I think
And even
Harshal
Harshal can do
performed
that.
last year and last year. He has performed with the ball, and if you see his first class, this year's first class, he's been impeccable with the bat, with the ball. I think he's been impeccable with the bat and ball for Ranji Trophy or coming to first class. So let's see how he performs in IPL. And of course, coming to Ashwin, Rabada, and Amit, I think that kind of a bowling lineup is solid. And with Ishant Sharma coming with a new ball, I think it's perfect. So we also chose Shimron Hetmeyer as our 12th man, and we felt because he can bowl, but we felt that sometimes there needs to be a sixth bowler who can come for backup.
The equation of Shimron Hetmeyer will be like something to do not only with the track but the team that you're going to be playing against, right? So if as a opponent, if Delhi Capital knows that a team's batting is really good and or it's going to be a high scoring game, then Shimron immediately comes in place of either Akshar or Harshal,
like Sunrisers.
Or if they know the bowling is a little weak and they want to exploit it, then he comes in because
accordingly they can manage.
Delhi Capitals has got a lot of explosive starts
and very good backups.
Right.
So if you move on to the special mentions, we can see that they have so many good options which they can back the players off. I think in the playing 11, there's only one foreigner. That's only Kagiso Rabada. But if you see the other three who we've kept in a special mention, I think with Mohit Sharma and Sandeep Lamichhane, who can come as backup of Amit Mishra or Akshar Patel. Daniel Sams coming as a backup for Kagiso Rabada, or Andrik, who can come as a backup for Kagiso Rabada, and Mohit Sharma. If Ishant Sharma has a leg, any injury, or anyone has an injury, or for any reason they are out of the team, I think they have considerably very good backups. I think what is your view on that?
So their bench strength is amazing. They can easily go horizontally, first backup, second backup also. There are a lot of people in the squad that we've not even spoken about. There's Tushar Deshpande, who's bowling absolutely rapid. He was on us. He was talking to us about his pace.
Yes.
Mohit Sharma, he's done brilliantly. He's a great bowler in the death. And Andrik is again a good quality all-rounder. Yeah, brilliant.
And I think I want to mention Daniel Sands. They've been because of Chris Wokes. Chris Wokes attending the IPL. I think they've gotten like a replacement who's Daniel Sands. I think with a slower ball, he's very good with the slower ball. And if you see Andrik replacement for Jason Roy. Again, Andrik, who will be a backup for Kagiso Rabada. I think the team as a whole is very balanced and is very.
They've got like mad amount of options, right? They can do so much with their team. Like if you think that as your playing 11,
of course,
and the freedom of having only one international. In that, there are so many. According to the game day, they can make changes, and that's what we want. They've got about six bowling options, and the batting is explosive. I think this is a team that just needs to make plans and execute really well.
I think this team, what it missed really in the past years was experience, and I think they have got the experience now with Amit Mishra, Ashwin. The presence of Ajinkya Rahane and Shikhar Dhawan with the youngsters Prithvi, Rishabh and Shreyas. What would you rank this team out of 10?
So, if Cricket had to give this a rating, from my opinion, Cricket's rating for this playing 11 or DC's side in general, I'd give it an 8, which is a good score.
Because I think it is a very good team and I would rate it 8.5 to 9. Just because they have the options. If they want the batting lineup, like after Akshar, or after Rishabh, if they want the batting lineup, they can get
Yeah.
Marcus Stoinis, they can get Shimron Hetmyer. If they don't want a player, if they want instead of Amit Mishra or Ashwin, someone like a pace bowler, they can get Andrick or Daniel Sands. So they have like a platter full of food. They have so many different options which they can choose from, and that is, I think, very good advantage what Delhi Capitals have. What do you say?
I mean, I think nine would be a little too much to give them, because in my opinion they are missing that one quick
Absolutely.
supporting
I
fast
think they traded
bowler.
off
Trent Bolt to what am I?
Yeah.
So they are missing that one good fast
One,
bowler
yeah.
to support Rabada there. Although Ishant does a great job.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I change it to 8.5.
Okay, so 8.5 is our rating for this team. Delhi Capitals, what is yours? Comment below. And I would like to thank Ritesh for attending. I think this is a great team, and this is Cricket's team. What is yours? Tell me, comment below your views and your playing 11. We want to see if it matches ours. Follow us, like, thank you.
दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा ओ दिल्ली रे तू रोर मचा